Hi folks, welcome to the Richard CHANEY channel. I'm Richard CHANEY. I'm not going to do a collection, but I will do some talking with you. Today has been nice weather, and I think tomorrow we're supposed to get rain and a big heat wave. So it's supposed to turn off really hot. And the heat wave is supposed to last from now throughout summer. So not looking forward to that. Like I said, it's supposed to be in the 80s, heat index of the 90s. Not looking forward to that either. Good thing I got air conditioning, so I will stay cool. Tomorrow I'll resume with a collection, and I wanted to tell you about the heat wave coming and the rain. So we got a big heat wave coming, plus rain, and today I got up, ate my breakfast, lunch, soon eat my dinner, get caught up on some movies, and sit and relax. I also visited my mom, my family, and friends, and had a wonderful day. Now, if you have any suggestions on any CD, DVD, LP record, or cassette you want to see, leave down in the comments and I'll show you those items. And without further ado, always remember to be yourself, help out others, be there for your family and friends no matter what, and always remember to just do the best you can and be there when your family needs you. It's always good to do that. And I hope you had a wonderful Mother's Day yesterday. And like I said, I spent it with Mom yesterday. And so, like I said, the heat wave's coming in, so it's going to really be hot. Really be hot. And always remember to always like, subscribe, click the notification bell to be notified when I post the next video here on YouTube. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.